Hi guys, this is Sue from Fruit Travel Company. Welcome back to our channel. Today I have come to a place called myfroyoland. As the name says, you get exciting frozen desserts here. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete tour about this place. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. myfroyoland offers all the traits of ice cream without the guilt of extra fats and sugars. Their frozen yogurt is certified prebiotic and probiotic, made with skimmed milk and is a good source of calcium. The concept is all about creating your own dessert from selection of the size of the cup, frozen yogurt flavor and the toppings. You are the chef of your own dessert. You pay according to the weight of your dessert cup. They have an unbelievable range of toppings available, right from rainbow sprinklers, Oreo dust, choco balls, Kit Kat, choco chips, fresh fruits, dry fruits and whatnot. So I topped my frozen yogurt with some red velvet cake and fresh strawberries, and it was just really yummy. Kids would definitely have a gala time here, but grown-ups will also equally enjoy in this place. I hope you guys will also visit this place and love the place as I did. If you have liked this video, please do share it with your family and friends. Like the video, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.